Alright guys, today we're in our large rollback. Gotta go pick up a backhoe. First thing I always like to do is a quick walk around. I don't drive this truck every day, so there's no telling what someone else could have done to it that's pre-existing. Really what I'm just looking for is any new damage. I'm gonna make sure everything's good. Make sure my tires are good. Next we're going to check our oil levels, fluids. I'm going to crank her on. Let her build air. Get going. Let's check the oil on this joker. Oil is good. You can't check your transmission fluids because it's not hot or running. That's good. Probably could add some washer fluid later today. Always want to be as thorough as you can. Make sure nothing's crazy. Alright, stay tuned. Let's get her started up. Make sure my battery's on. Let's get up in here. Turn the key. Let my glow plugs warm up. Give her a good crank. The main thing I'm really looking for is my oil pressure. Make sure that goes down. Make sure nothing's crazy. Good. Turn on my lights. Lights. Ooh, that one's not okay. That one's flashing irregular. We'll check that out. You know, shit happens. People get to driving these different trucks and just shit happens. PTO engages. Alright, let's go fuel up, get ready to hit the road. Alright, we're heading to go fuel up. We got a long drive. Super long drive to go fuel up. These are a couple cars used for training. Fire department likes to come through every now and then and cut some shit in. We've arrived at the gas station after my long ride there. We got 2 tanks on this bitch. Let's go fuel up. 118415. Other tank. Binders. I'm a huge fan of these spike lugs. I want to get some of these for my little Peterbilt. We are all done with fueling. Good. All right, let's go hit the road. Safety first. Let's go pick up a backhoe. Now we're going to Rayford, North Carolina to pick up a backhoe and deliver it to Hope Mills, North Carolina. And off we go.
Little CC.
Had to make a quick pit stop. I am always losing a pair of gloves somewhere.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Do I want the large? Yeah, large. There we go. Perfect. Always go to Harbor Freight for some cheap gloves. I don't need anything else, do I? I don't get much from Harbor Freight. Very cheap stuff. But I'm not gonna lie, these do hold up. Alright, we're here. Picking up from this house, beautiful house. Congratulations to the homeowner. Alright. Like I said, this is a beautiful home. Real beautiful. Once again, this is a beautiful house. We're picking up this. They just got a pool installed. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful pool. Do a quick 360 in the machine. Alright, my keys should be up here. Yep. Come on. Atta boy. Alright. Park. Heavy. Goodness gracious. Pulling my bucket in. There we go. Alright, that's ready. Alright. The road. Beep, 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 beep. I'm gonna try and destroy these beautiful houses. I really don't like this loader. It's so heavy in the back. I really don't like it. Alright, we got her loaded up. I loaded it up backwards because this is the heaviest part. This boom right here extends out. This is a lot heavier versus the front. So I'm hoping it rides a little bit better. Last time I loaded it forward and it rode like shit. So we're gonna see how this rides. Time to strap it down, chain it down I should say, get on the road. Oh, strap down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one's just for shits and giggles.